Hello student and welcome back. On the last class we already discussed about the question number 1 to 14. Okay, this is the NCO class National Cyber Olympiad. In the last class we already discussed the up to the 14 number question. Now today we are going to discuss the question number 15 from the question number 15. So without wasting our times, let's start the today's class. So the question number 15, you see it is visible on the screen. So one by one we are going to discuss the all the questions. Now next start the question number 15. The question number 15 is the which of the following would you use to the create the bud kits? Okay, you see the options are the MS OneNote, MS Outlook, and number C the MS Word, and the fourth is the MS Excel. So you see here the four options are there. The correct answer is the number D because it is used to the correct option is the Microsoft Excel is the correct answer. And now see the for 16 number question. Now see the 16 number questions are there. Dash is the language based suited it for the business the application. Okay, I'm repeating the 16 number question. Dash is the application based for the business application. You see here the four options are there. The correct answer is the Python is the correct answer because all of you see the Python is used to make a programs in the business sector or the any you when you create the any applications or any software the Python is required. And the Fortran and the Cobol is the these are the programming language, but these are the smaller than the Python and the C. So if you select the C means the Python, the this is also correct option. Otherwise, if you select the number D, this is also the correct option because both is the correct answer. You choose any one, but you select any one. The Python or C, Java. These all are the means the high level programming language. Okay, so one of the most is the important the Python or C. You choose anyone, Python or C, right? Means the option C or D. And the say the 70 number questions are there. Computer video games. You know the computer video games belong to the which of the following the category of the software. You see the again I'm repeating the question. The computer video games belong to which of the following categories of the software. You see here the four options are there. The first one is the personal assistant the software. The first one is the next one is the word software, and the next is the education software, and the next is the entertainment software. You see the question as per the question is very easy. You see the first question and the answer is you easily identify the answer. See here is the video games related of the computer video games. So you all of you guess the which is the software is to use to apply the video games belong for the video games actually you game it is the entertainment like the personal assistant software is not the personal software, right? The word software not the word related the software. Education software is not the education software. The next is the correct is the entertainment software. The correct answer is the entertainment software, right? The next you come to the 18 number question. The 18 number question is that this is the state in which the computer the shutdown means the shutdown power cut, right? To save the power means after shutdown the power to save the power. However, the before the shutting down, it saved the everything in the memory on the hard disks. When the computer is restart means after shutdown when you start the restart the computer, the desktop is the restored to externally at as it was left. Means when suppose you're working the computer, suddenly the computer is shut down, and after this shutdown if you want to save the everything in the memory on the hard disk, when the computer is the restart means when your computer restart the desktop is the restore the means the which one is the correct answer. You see the left okay, the correct answer is you see the 18 number question is there. So correct answer is the standby is the correct answer. If you suppose you're not working in the computer but you want to shut down or you if you want no required to restart the computer, so you use to standby. This is the correct option is the standby. And the next is that the computer does not need to translate to understand dash language. 19 number questions I am saying. The computer does not need to translator to understand dash language. Which is the correct answer? 19 number question it is. Question number 19 the correct answer is the machine. Okay. So which is the not need to translate the why? Because you all of you know the computer is a one type of machine, and the machine it is used to it is used only the you all of you know, because in your previous classes in from the class 4 to 5, so you all of you learn the languages are there, machine language, okay, high level language, low level language. These are the language, and the computer understand only the one language, the binary language or machine language. So it is not need to translate, but when you use to high level programming language, so that time it is required to one translate high level to low level, or like this. So here is a no need to translate the because you know the computer is the machine. So if you use to machine language, so it is not required to translate, because the binary language is the one type of machine language, the machine is easily understand. So the correct answer is the number C. Number C is the machine language. Okay, but the other hand, it is used to assemble means the high level, translate to high level language to a low level language like this. But the in the machine language, it is not required. So the correct answer is the number 19. Number C is the correct answer. And you see the 20 number question dash reduce the really printout of the computer files. Okay, they work the conjunction of the with the software that the translate text of really. So which is the correct answer? You see the correct answer is the number B, ambiguous, the correct answer. Next is the 21 question. Question number 21. Okay, question number 21. You see, when I am writing a program, okay, when you're writing a program in the long string of zeros and one, I am using which one? Right? This is a very important question. So when I'm you writing a one programs, okay, when you're writing a program, suppose any platform, suppose the C or Python or basic or Q basic, whatever the programming languages use, when you use to 0 and 1, then I am what? It is the first generation language, or the standard level language, or the high level language, or the machine level language. You know, see, all of you know they are the fourth generation of the computer, means the fifth generation of the computers are there. The first generation, the vacuum tubes. Okay, now and you see here is the first generation language. The vacuum tubes, these are the standard level language. No, it is not a standard level language 0 and 1. You see, just check the 19 number questions you already discussed about the related of the language, because the 19 number questions and the 21 number question is the slide similar, but not 100% similar, but the slide, because there is the question number 19 and question number 21, it is related of the language and all. So you see, we already discussed in the 19 number question. So computer know only the machine language. So the machine language is called the 0 and 1. It is the binary language or the machine language. So the first answer, the correct answer is the number D, machine level language. Right? The machine language is the correct answer. Next is the question number 22. This is the output device that typically used for the presentations for viewing the video. What is it? Okay, viewing the video. So see the options. So here the options are there. There are four options are there. Here the printer is there, projector are there, and here is the some devices are there. Printer like this. These are the devices. So which is the correct answer? You all of you know. So when you use the output, suppose see again. I'm repeating the question. See the question is the presenting the viewing the videos. So videos, we know this is very easy. Projector, you know, and in your class schools, the related of the projector, the teachers are showing you the any related of your science project or SST or any other subjects also. So the projector is the correct answer, right? Without discussing, you all of you know the question number 22. The correct answer is the projector. Right? And see the 23rd number question. See the which of the following device uses a CCD and CCD. What is the CCD? The change coupled device chip. Right. The correct answer. You see the correct answer is the 23rd is the question answer. Question is the number D. Both scanner and the camera. Right. These are the correct answer. I mean the number D. Both A and B. Next, you see the 24th number question. The 24th number question is which of the following device is not the mandatory? It is not the mandatory for just setting up a video conference. So that is which is not used for devices to not mandatory for the setting in the video conference. So which is the correct answer? You see the which one not used to video conference. This is the camera. It is not used to video conference. Okay, but the other devices is used to video conference, right? So number A, it is the correct answer. Okay. Next, the 25 number question. You see, this is the one pictures you all of you know nowadays you're using. Okay, now see the question. Which of the following statement holds the true regarding the given the device? Number one is the statement one. There are the two statements are there, and you see the device. You all of you know this is the one type of device. It is use your card in all. Nowadays, it is very famous and very familiar. You all of you know. And let's see the statement. There are two statements are there. Number one statement is the it is the no as optical marks reader. Number two is it is used to read the credit or debit card, right? You all of you know. And see the options are number one, number two, or the both one and two, or the neither one or number two. This is very easy, all of you know, right? So correct answer is the number two. The number two is where the number B. Okay, so number B is the correct answer, or it is known as the optical marks reader. So this is the correct or this one correct? This is the both one and two, because it is a marks reader. It is the there is the one chip is there. It is also used to read actually, right? So the correct answer number C, both one and two. Okay. Next, number 23rd number question, 26th number question. You see the TFT, LCD. These are the types of the monitors. The correct answer is the monitors, right? Okay. Now next, the 27 number question. Let's see the 27 number question. See the 27 number questions are there. So you see the 27 number question. Which of the following is the example of the multi-user operating system? So multi-user operating system is the 27 number question. Is the Unix is the multi-user operating system. And see the 28 number question. Which of the following is not a digital? Okay, digital video interface to connect the video source to display the device such as the computer monitor. You see the 28 number question. See in the case of the 28 number question, which of the following is not a digital video interface connecting a video source to display the device such as the computer monitor? So which is the correct answer? You see there are four options are there. Number one is the VGA connector, number one the DVI, then is the display port, and the next is the modem. So all of you guess which is the correct answer. You see here is the actually the question is wrong here. The all is the correct answer. VGA connector is the use actually okay. So but the here you see the options which of the not a digital video interface to connecting the source to display the device of the computer monitor. You see here is the modem. Modem it is used to connect the computer okay to transfer the data in all. So VGA connector it is also one type of not it. So here is the correct answer is the number D, the modem. It is not used to digital source in all. So but it is the okay. So number D is the correct answer. Number 29 question you see dash is used to extensively in the banking sector, business magnetic link characters and the difficult to forgive and are the therefore the idle to making the identify the checks. You all of you know there is a checks, the numbers are there. MICR magnetic ink character reader, you all of you know, and the OCR optical character reader. Okay, so there is the A or B, so which is the correct answer? You all of you identify which is the correct answer. So MICR, there is a one code is there, the MICR. This is called the magnetic ink character reader. This is the correct answer. Okay, now the next you see the 30 number question. In the case of the 30 number question, the aim and the input device you use for the converting the hand draw the image map and the drawing into the digital form for the input to a computer. Right? The question is the and the input device use the converting the hand drawing like the image in all map or drawing into the digital form of the input of the computer. Now you see the options are there, the four options are there: touch screen, OCR, and the digiters, the MICR. They are the four options are here. You see the which is the correct answer. The correct answer is the number C, digiters. Okay, now you hear the some questions are there. Okay, the third question number 31. Okay, total is it is the total 35 questions are there, and the 30 questions you already completed, and you check the 31 question, the achievers sectors hot. Okay, the 31 questions are there. The see, this is the cable. You all of you identify the cable, which is the cables are there. You see list. First you read the question. The cable, so the image is called a dash cable. It is the IDE, means the integrated drive electronics standard for the connecting device like the optical drives and the hard drives. You see which is the correct answer is there. 31 number question, you see the SATA. Okay, you already discussed in the previous one. In there is the some questions are there. They are the SATA related to the SATA. But we already discussed. Nowadays it is very popular, and this is the SATA cable. Like, okay, next is the question number 32. You see the 32 questions. Question number 32. Which of the following statement is the not the true or the software package? Which is the not a software package? It there are the four options are there. Here is also four options. The first one is the it consists of one or more program. It is created to perform the particular type of work, right? And the next one is the it is a set of human readable instructions that the direct to CPU to perform the specify, and it is the computer the application. There are the four options are there, and you see which is the correct answer. Number 32 is the C is the correct answer. It is the set of human readable to instruction that the direct to CPU to perform the specify operations, right? And the C the 33 number question, system software does not. Okay, system software does not, the system software does not, which is the correct answer. You see the system software, the here the options are there. The system software does not is the monitor the effective uses the hardware resources to a computer, the first one. And the second one is the solve a specified problem or the complete the specified tasks, such as the creating the document, sending the email, the second one. And the third one is the communications with the control operations or peripheral the connected to the computer. And the third one is the support the development of the other application software. You see the questions are system software does not, system software, there are the two types of software: application software and system software, right? The application software is help to perform the user performance, and the second was the system software. It is manage the whole the systems, like your input, what you input the device or processing device in all, your RAM, ROM, in the memory, total things. What is the whatever the inside the CPU, the devices are there. The control the system is the managed with the system software. Okay, means how to handle the system by the user. Okay, so here is the correct answer. You see the 33 number question. There are the four options are there. The appropriate option is the number B. Solve the specified problem to compute the specified task, such as the creating the document, sending the mail in all. Okay, so 33 number question is the correct number question. And the see the 34 number question. Okay, this is the second last question, and correct the incorrect speech. Match the incorrect. Okay, you see there is a option is the here the four options are there: smart card, OCR, and voice recognition, OMR. So you see the smart card, it is the similar to the magnetic strip card, but it contains a small RAM chip. Number one. Number two is the OCR. It is the techniques that enable the specified characters printed to magnetic ink to the read and input repeatedly into the computer. And the third one is the video recognition. It is the interpret the speech and the carry out the instructions given to the system verbally. And the last one is the number DOMR. It is the techniques for the inputting text into the computer by the means of the document reader. Okay, these are the four options are there. Now you identify which is the incorrect. But you see here the all options the similar, and maybe it is correct, but you find out the one incorrect option. So you see the here is the OCR optical character readers. So here is the character printed. So here is the correct option, which is the OCR optical character reader actually. Number B. And this is the third number, last number question. Okay, the 35. Today is the last question. There are the 35 questions are there. The last one is identify the following. The basic, the purpose of it is store the program instruction that is frequently reference the software during the operation. First access to this the instruction increase the overall speed of the software program. So which is the cache memory. Cache memory is the correct answer. So the chapter one, the fundamentals of computers, the completed. Okay. So all of you students, you go through it, and in the next class we discuss about the chapter two, memory of the storage device. Okay. All of you. Thank you.